Always is better when you're learning with a teacher, because if you make a mistake, someone corrects you. I found really useful being in this classroom, my time spent with you, and my mistakes are corrected, pronunciation is improving. But also I found very useful mobile app using at home, because it helped me with everyday life, like buying tickets, interacting with my friends. So with the app, I am developing global skills in a fun way, because it's very interesting application.
I love this cutting-edge technology. This app is very interactive, and you can learn this app English at any time, anywhere. And I like they have combined speaking, listening, reading, and even the grammar. You can structure the whole sentence. I thought that was fantastic.
From my personal opinion, there are many things interesting in this application. For the internet application and the mobile application. But for me, the drag dub, using the drag dub functions and listen the different sentence, how to pronounce, is really important for people that are trying to learn English. The most important for me is the Pocket mobile application, because you can practice every time. Most of them, if you have arranged some interview, for sure you can practice the night before, and you will do much better the next day.
It's very convenient for me, because we can cut up my time into some small place, and for several minutes I can learn a course, and it's very useful for me.
Most interesting for me is the function of recording, because when I practice or when I answer my question to problem, I can record my answers, and after that I can replay my answer, and I know what's the problem with my pronunciation, so I can improve my pronunciation. So I think it's very useful for me.
This program and these questions are the same as the real interview. I have a good experience in real interview, and I never surprised with questions, because I practiced in the class with my teacher, and they're all the same. It was very useful.